A day in the life of tire techs. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty freaking dead today. But I'm getting ready to pull in an alignment. I haven't had shit all day. I've been helping them all day changing tires. It's already 1 o'clock. I got an alignment coming in at 1:30, so I'll probably video it so you guys can see what's going on. But yeah, it's my dirty purple snap-on toolbox. I'm in the process of filling it, so I ain't hardly got shit yet. Look how pretty those are. Woohoo! Nice. My guns, they're actually down there right now, but this is the drawer I keep my my 1/2-inch impact guns in. And we got pretty snap-on screwdrivers. These are kind of a generic brand, but they work good. So then that's just a junk drawer down there right now, and then got me snap-on pry bars. They don't look very used. They are fairly new, but I use the hell out of them. I just clean my shit when I put it back. So, but anyway, I will probably video me doing this alignment when I pull it in. So they put steer tires on the front of it, and they were down to the wires, man. So I know the toe is going to be out for sure on it. But I'll check it out. We'll see what happens. We'll get my computer booted up here and everything. It's my first alignment of the day, and fuck, it's been so slow. Of course, it's the day before New Year's Eve. I needed to really clean today. If you look at this fucking place, it's horrible. All that down there is not mine. I wish to hell I can find something to do with all of it, just to get it out of my way. So anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, my alignment's in. I got all my sensors put on. I just got to roll it forward to get them to read, and then unlock my plates up there, and it'll read and give me my measurements, and then I will adjust. So I use this little roller thing here to push it forward, makes it a little easier. It's battery powered. Just gotta make sure I move my blocks. It's hard to do one-handed, but there we go. Battery getting a little low. Alright, I'm on my chalk up here. Let's see where we're at. Oh, I still gotta go a long way. So I just move my chalks, move this one forward, and then move this one forward so that I can roll some more. I'll get this rolled in. You see the idea of what I gotta do. I gotta roll this forward until it reads these sensors and onto those plates there. So I'll get that done and I'll come right back. Okay, so I got it all rolled into place. See, sensor has excessive run out. Alright, well I gotta run it back just a tad bit because it's got I went forward too far. So move this block here a little bit and very little bit. Keep that one there. Take my little pusher. That might have been enough because it rolled back when I moved this. Sit on that block there. No, wasn't enough. So see if we can roll this bitch. Just about there. Close enough. We're going to leave it right there like that. Alright. Now we got to get in and turn the wheel the direction it says to. So that we can get wrong way. Let's go this way first. See, it turned gray like that. I went too fast. Okay. So I just gotta straighten the wheel and get it right in the green. Turn it green, hold it still, and the computer will catch up. See if I can hold it there. It keeps moving on me. Okay. Now to go to where it wants me to turn. Okay, here we go. Turn it green, hold it. Nope. Too far. Turn it green, hold it. Now, see. Turn it green and hold it. Turn it quite a ways since we're going back the other direction now. I try to get it dead center like that. Oh, too far. Go back just a touch. When it's X, you got a ways to go. When you turn that, when that arrow, X turns into an arrow, you just got to barely move it to get it where it goes. All right, now we're going to steer ahead. Too far. I'm going to steer ahead, get my steering wheel holder here. See if I can get down out of here without breaking my neck or falling down into the pit. Steering wheel holder. And let some air out of the seat. That should be good there. Steering wheel is just a little cockeyed. So let's see. Not bad up here, but you gotta put it where the Computer says too. Alright, it's pretty close there. I'm going to sit you down for just a second. Oh. Alright. So we're dead on now. Well, we were until I jumped out of it. Jumped out of the truck. I can adjust it down here. I can adjust it right here. Gotta turn it that way just by hitting the wheel. Oh, see? Went too far. That's how sensitive it is. They've been arguing all day. I'm a perfectionist, even though I got it in the green. I always try. Well, it stopped on me. I haven't been recording. So what I was saying was, if you know the mechanical part of an alignment, then you can use this Hunter machine because it's all self-explanatory. If you can read, it says it everything step by step right on the screen what you need to do. When it's time to level and lock and all that. So I got them all leveled. I got them all locked. Now we just got to get over here and say ready, and then it will read everything and tell me exactly the measurements that it is at right now. Ready. Okay, so I'm going to try to get that in, but I'm not going to. Okay, we're right on now. At least we're super close. There we go. So the back is only 1/32 out. I mean, and it's in the thrust in the very back axle. The thrust angle is within specs, and it's only calling for a 32nd of an inch. So we're not going to mess with that. Let's go ahead. We're just going to leave the thrust angle where it is. Now we got to check the scrub. Scrub angle is good. It's in specs. It's only asking for a 1/16 of an inch. So we're not going to mess with that one either. Go to the next. Scrub angle, adjust camber and caster. So everything looking good. Verify caster. It looks good, so I'm bypass measurement. See, look at that. We're going to set a bypass. And the front axle is adjust toe. Show bar graph. Well, I don't know what's causing that. What's causing this to have to change those tires like that? I'll check all the parts on it. because the alignment is good. We are going to go ahead and just print that out. If I find something wrong with the parts, I'll record it and show you what I found. But there you have it. Maybe I'll do another one later to show you how to make the adjustments, because I don't have to adjust nothing on this one. I'll see you later. Don't forget, subscribe and like. Thank you. Talk to you later.